Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. What will you learn from this video? JavaScript math object, math round, math seal, math floor, math rank and more. Let's start coding. Let's start from math round. I'm going to use document write for this example. Document write math.round, and we need to assign value in our brackets. Let's say 6.2 and semicolon. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, it's showing 6 because 6.6 close to 6, not close to 7. Let me copy and paste. Let's say 6.5. Let's save it and have a look at it. It's showing 7. So it is rounding the number. If you want, you can use minus number too. For example, let's paste one more time. Let me comment them out. Let's say minus 3.2. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, the result is minus 3. Let's have a look at seal. Let me comment this out and paste one more time. We just need to change that one. Seal. Let's save it and have a look at it. We see 7 because 6.2 is greater than 6. That's why it's display 7. Let's make it 4.2. Let's save it and have a look at it. 5. And let's make another example with minus. Let me copy and comment them out. Then paste it here. Let's say minus 4.2. It's not going to show 5, it's going to show 4 because we are using minus. Let's save it and have a look at it. See guys, it's showing minus 4 because direction is different when we talk about positive number and negative numbers. Let's have a look at floor. Let me comment this out and paste one more time. I just need to change that one with floor. Let's save it and have a look at it. So guys, we see 4 because it is not exactly equal to any number. So that's why it is taking main number as a reference and showing us. For example, let's make it 5.9. Let's save it and have a look at it. It's going to show 5 because it is not equal 6 exactly. So it just takes the main number 5. Let's check it. You see guys, it's 5. Let me copy and paste one more time. And let's try that one as a minus. Let me comment it out. Save it and have a look at it. You see guys, it's showing minus 6. As I mentioned it, direction is changing when we talk about negative and positive number. Let's have a look at trunk. Let me comment this out and paste it one more time. I just need to change that one with trunk. Let's save it and have a look at it. We see just only 5 because trunk is return integer part of our number. 5 is our integer number. But for example, in floor, number is rounded down to its nearest integer. That is the difference between them. For example, in seal, number rounded up to its nearest integer. And for round, number returns the nearest integer. That is the difference between them. You can use minus number for that one too. Let me copy that one and comment it out and paste one more time. Let's try negative number, minus 5.9. Let's save it and have a look at it. It's showing minus 5 because it's just returning integers parts of our number. Let me comment them out too. And let's have a look at sign. Let me paste it that one and I just need to change that one. Sign. You can assign any number you want. Let's say 5. Let's save it and have a look at it. See guys, it's showing 1. It means it is a positive number. Let me copy and paste 2 more times. Let's assign that one minus 5 and let's assign that one 0. Let's save it and have a look at it. 1, minus 1 and 0. Minus 1 means is that number is negative number and 1 means is that number is positive number and 0 is not a positive or negative number, so that's why it is returning 0 for the latest example. Let me comment them out and let me get it up and let's have a look at POW. Let me paste that one again. And how we need to assign two number. Let's say 5, 2. Result is going to be 25. It means 5 times 5. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, 25. If you want, you can make it 3. Let's save it, 125. It means 5 times 5 equal 25 and times 5, 125. Let me delete that one. So it's returning power of second number. Let me comment this out and paste one more time. This time I want to show square. Let's say 25. Let's save it and have a look at it. See guys, it's showing 5. Let's make it 81. Let's save it and have a look at it. See guys, it's showing 9. So it returns square of our number. And let's have a look at ABS. Let me copy and comment it out and paste one more time. ABS. ABS is return absolute positive value of our number. For example, let's say minus 29. Let's save it and have a look at it. See guys, it's showing just 29. If we assign just 29, let's save it and have a look at it. It's showing just 29. It's just returning our negative number to positive number. Let me make it negative number and save it and have a look at it. You see guys, it is still showing positive 29. And also I want to show minimum and maximum values. Let me comment it out and paste it. I just need to make it that one min. It means minimum and add couple of number. Let's say 22, 11, 5, 9. Let's save it and have a look at it. So guys, it's showing 5 because 5 is the lowest number in our bracket. Let me copy that one and comment it out, paste one more time, and let's make it that one max. Let's save it and have a look at it. It's showing 81 because 81 is greatest number in our bracket. And lastly, I want to show math random. Let me comment it out that one. Document write math random and brackets and semicolon. Let's save it and have a look at it. That method is create a random number between 0 and 1. When you refresh that page, it's going to show different numbers, as you see. How about creating a random number in a specific range? Let me copy that one and comment it out. And let me get it up a little bit and paste it. Let's create two variables. Let max, let's say 100, and let minimum, let's say 0, and document write math.floor. We use a different mathematical expression in our example, and bracket math random and brackets times maximum minus minimum plus 1 and plus minimum and semicolon. So that expression is going to help us to create a random number between our range, maximum and minimum. Let's save it and have a look at it. So guys, it's creating different numbers. Let's change it. Let's say that one 100 and let's make it that one 1000. Let's save it and have a look at it. So guys, it's creating different numbers each time. Let me comment them out and let's make it another example. For example, document write math floor bracket math random and brackets and times 10 and semicolon. That expression is going to return a random integer from 0 to 9. Let's save it and have a look at it. So guys, it's displaying different numbers each time. If you want to include 10, you just need to make it 11. Let's save it and have a look at it. So guys, you can create number 10 too in this way. Or if you want to make it 0 to 99, you just need to type 100. Let's save it and have a look at it. So guys, or if you want to include 100. You just need to make it that one 101. Let's save it and have a look at it. I hope we will see 100, but I'm not sure. Yep, we saw it, and as you see, we created 100 before that number. I wanted to show different example for creating random number by using mathematical expressions. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.